Let's get you the details of a top focus story now emanating from the state of West Bengal. Just a day after you have the TMC MLA Lovely Moitra's insult, another TMC MLA has mocked the fight for justice for the RG Kar victim. Now, this MLA is Kanchan Malik, who's asserted that doctors have stopped working in the name of protest. He's also gone ahead to add that people consider doctors gods, but might stop doing so given their ongoing protest. That's not all. The TMC MLA did not stop there. He further is going on to mock people returning government awards and refusing government grants. On this, Malik has asked these protesting doctors against the government to stop taking salaries from the government then as well.
এই আন্দোলনের নাম করে ডাক্তারেরা কর্মবিরতি করছে। সামনে একটা কথা বলবেন, সবাইকে বলে ডাক্তার মানে ভগবান। সাধারণ গ্রাম থেকে আসা মানুষ, অনেক দরিদ্র মানুষ যারা চিকিৎসার জন্য ছুটে আসছেন ডাক্তার ভগবান ভেবে। আপনারা আন্দোলন করুন, আপনারা সব করুন, আপনারা শাস্তি চাইছেন, কিন্তু সাধারণ রোগীরা কী অপরাধ করেছে, মনুষ্য রোগীগুলো কী অপরাধ করেছে, এমন কোনো কাজ আপনাদের করা উচিত নয় যাতে পরবর্তীকালে ডাক্তার ভগবান বলতে 10 বার ভাবনা চিন্তা করে। দেখুন, আমাদের গণতান্ত্রিক দেশ, সবাই নিজেদের সার্বভৌমত্ব, যে যার মন্তব্য, যে যার কাজ করতে পারেন। সবাই যেরকম অনেকেই শুনছি সরকারি দুর্গাপুজোর অনুদান নেবেন না বলেছেন, সেটা তাদের ব্যক্তিগত মতামত, ব্যক্তিগত সিদ্ধান্ত। ভালো, তা যারা কর্মবিরতি করছেন শাসক দলের বিরুদ্ধে বা বলছেন, তারা সরকারি বেতনটা নিচ্ছেন তো না নিচ্ছেন না? মানে আমার প্রশ্ন, বোনাস টোনাস যে হয় তো সরকারি, সেটা নেবেন তো না নেবেন না? মানে মানে আমি এমনি প্রশ্ন। আচ্ছা ধরুন, যারা বলছেন এই আমাদের ফেডারেল এদিক চারিদিক থেকে, তারা যারা সরকারি কোনো পুরস্কার বা ইত্যাদি নিয়েছিলেন, তারা ফেরত দেবেন? বলুন, ফেরত দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। কেননা যদি আপনাদের কোনো সার্বভৌম দেশ, গণতান্ত্রিক অধিকার আছে আপনাদের, তাহলে বলুন ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। এত সত্ত্বেও আমরা আবার বলছি, আমরা দোষীদের দৃষ্টান্তমূলক শাস্তি চাইছি এবং সেই আইন চাইছি যে শুধু পশ্চিমবঙ্গ নয়, শুধু RG Kar.
And after that statement mocking the protesting doctors fighting for justice, the TMC leader Kanchan Malik has also now issued an apology.
আমি আপনাদের কাছে ক্ষমা প্রার্থী, তবে আবার বলছি, এই আন্দোলন এবং আন্দোলনকারীদের আমার আপনাদের প্রতি সহস্রবার, কোটিতমবার সেই সমর্থন রয়েছে। আমি আবার বলছি, একজন সাধারণ মানুষ হিসেবে, পশ্চিমবঙ্গের একজন সাধারণ নাগরিক হিসেবে, we want really justice, we want justice, we want justice। এবং আবার বলছি, আমি চাই দোষীরা ধরা পড়ুক এবং দোষীদের দৃষ্টান্তমূলক শাস্তি হোক। আবার বলছি, আমি ক্ষমার থেকে বড় জিনিস হয় না, আমি সেই ক্ষমাটুকু আপনাদের কাছে ভিক্ষা চাইব।
And do remember, as you hear all this, you have multiple people who've begun to speak up also of the kind of atrocities they believe that have been taking place under the TMC rule. We've heard multiple such theatre people also saying that they will now be returning their awards. And even as we get you this reportage, also Biplab Bandyopadhyay has issued a statement. He, remember, is a noted Bengali theatre artist who said that he feels aghast at the kind of developments in the entire case, and now he is mulling returning his award. And even as he says that, the centre earlier has also moved to the Supreme Court accusing the government of not providing essential infrastructure and security for the central forces that have been stationed at the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. The centres allege that there is non-availability of security gadgets and transportation also for the CISF officials, and the application filed through the Ministry of Home Affairs has demanded that the state should extend full cooperation. Now, Times Now has also had an exclusive conversation with an intern doctor, Anubhav Sinha, who claimed that he was falsely implicated in fake cases, including molestation, and was forcibly failed and made to appear in 3 supplementary papers. He's also alleged that he was threatened to be kicked out of the hostel.
2021 में हम सब स्टूडेंट मिलकर प्रिंसिपल संदीप घोष सर के अगेंस्ट में देन प्रिंसिपल प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे। तो क्या हुआ, उन्होंने जो कुछ जो प्रोटेस्टर है उन लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई किया एज ए फेस एंड और हम लोगों को फेल करवाया गया। हमारे अगेंस्ट फॉल्स एफआईआर हुए। हमको हॉस्टल में घुसने से मना किया गया। हमें क्लास करने से मना किया गया। हमें जो सरस्वती पूजा ग्रुप है जो उसमें से निकाला गया। हमको सरस्वती पूजा में नहीं लिया गया। हमको कॉलेज का जो फेस्ट होता है लोबे लिया, उसमें नहीं लिया गया। जो हम ये प्रिंसिपल सिंडिकेट करवा रहा है पूरा, और हमको हमारे अगेंस्ट में सोशल मीडिया में फॉल्स प्रोपागेंडा फैलाया गया कि दीज आर द goons, not doctors.
And our colleague Tapas is also joining us live. He's been tracking that story. Tapas, what is the latest? You know, all said and done, just a day after Mamata Banerjee puts forward that Aparajita bill, there is still, you know, a lot of questions that are being asked of the administration, of Mamata Banerjee herself. And there is no end to the kind of statements that her own men actually have been making, deriding these protesters.
Well, yes, absolutely. It seems that the Trinamool Congress netas are not listening to the high command. Mamata Banerjee yesterday had categorically stated that any kind of crime against women or children will not be tolerated. Abhishek Banerjee had even appealed on the social media, appealing to his own party leaders and cadres not to speak ill about the protesting doctors or protesters whatsoever across the spectrum. But given the fact we had seen Udayan Guha, we had seen Arup Chakraborty, we had seen Lovely Moitra yesterday, now Kanchan Mollik, another noted actor of the Bengali film industry, coming out and making such a derogatory comment about the doctors, that if they are protesting, the other people's the common people are feeling the pain. But henceforth his choice of words was not at all taken nicely by the protesting doctors. He not only stopped there, he said that those who are raising voices and protests, should they give back their award? Should they not take their salary? Should they not take the bonus? Now, Biplab Chattopadhyay, another noted film personality and a theatre icon in Bengal, chose to return back his award, stating that if a fellow actor who also happens to be MLA from the ruling party raises question about the protesters who are protesting, then it is ethically correct on his part to return his award to the government, because it seems that the government have given the award, and those who have received the awards or the recipients of the award should not speak anything against the government. So later on there was huge outrage over the social media over Kanchan Mollik's comment, and even her own comrades and in the film industry came out openly. Shastika Mukherjee, Choiti Ghoshal or other senior actors, everybody have taken it, have hit back very hard, taken dig at him, at his comment, and he said though that he had apologized, but many are raising questions. The language of his apology was such that people are trolling him, people are condemning what he said on social media, and hence he is apologizing. So the larger question remains that had there been no trolling, had there been no condemnation by his own fraternity people, had he not apologized for his comments. So this is perhaps not for the first time that Kanchan Mollik have come across these kind of controversies. In recent past, we had seen several such remarks by Kanchan Mollik, and it seems that he have now become a habitual offender as far as making remarks and making ill comments are concerned. But this time around, the comment when the have come at a time when the government and the ruling party tries to douse the flame of controversy following RG Kar incident, these kind of comment of Lovely Moitra and Kanchan Mollik is only aggravating the situation for the state government. Back to you.
All right, and Tapas, no action or no condemnation even by the Chief Minister on every such comment.